We're going to start now with another DB, which we are performing voltage test. This is a single phase supply in comma. So we have 246.3 volts. Okay, let's move. We take now between phase, between neutral and earth. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is 201. Yeah.
What the level? Neutral.
This is
के भनेको?
earth is
यसले
outside.
न्युट्रल गर उयोलाई यस्तै फेसमा लाउन
Okay, now we have 0.1 volts. Okay. Now between phase and earth, we have 246.4 volts. Now at for loop impedance test, so we test now from the external part, which is the incomer. So we have 0.05 ohm. And then if you look down, you see we have an prospective F4 current of 4.9 kiloamps. So we are now carrying out F4 loop impedance test, which is a ZS. So we'll go at the furthest part of the circuit. I'd like you guys to comment down and you give me the reason why we are testing at the furthest part of the circuit. So we are testing now. We have a resistance or an F4 loop impedance of 0.09 ohm, and we have a prospective F4 current of 22.7 kiloamps. So we move. Now we move to the time, look at the time at which it takes to trip, and then we move back to the DB side and see if it trips. Now it trips. Trip at 8.0 milliseconds at times 5. I think you should start at times 1. Okay. Now we move at times 1. Reset. Put it back on. Okay. Now it trips at 17.8 milliseconds. Okay. We are at the DB side, so we now check. It did not trip. Okay, put it back, let's see. Okay, now we reset. Again, Mr. Dinesh. Yeah, we reset already. Now it trips. 32 amps class C circuit breaker. This is an RCBO. So we move back. Okay, so we are times 5. It trips again at 7.8 milliseconds at times 5. Okay. Now the selector switch has been changed now to trip current, as you can see. So we have a current of 24 milliamps after the circuit protected device have tripped, which is an RCBO 32 amps class C circuit breaker.
Whoa!